This video focuses on the entrance and exit of the picture book experience, which I call the matters. The front and back matters consist of an array of content and design, including the humble, text-free, art-free page. There are also pages with repeating patterns, pages with wordless art, author's notes, timelines, copyright text, dedications, title pages, resources, pledges, and certificates. There is no hard and fast rule as to how to use the matters, and these are just one of the many decisions I help my clients make. Though none of the books in this video were designed by me, I've taken inspiration from all of them over the years. I also want to note that I did not curate the books shown in this video. I just grabbed a random assortment of fiction and nonfiction titles to show the range of matters found in traditionally published picture books. Which one is your favorite? Hi, I'm Melinda Martin, publishing facilitator and designer of quality books for kids and adults. If you're interested in publishing your own quality book, learn more at melindamartin.me.